Hi, Julian here from the SERP.NET team. In this video, I'm going to do a quick demo of our questions feature. As you probably know, SERP.NET allows you to perform keyword research with tools like Ultimate Research, for example. Well, in addition to keyword IDs, you can find question IDs to use as part of your SEO strategy or dedicated People Also Ask strategy. The People Also Ask box in Google search results is a great way to get extra exposure. As a reminder, this feature answers questions related to the user's search query. Each answer that is provided by Google comes from a web page, which could very well be your web page. Our questions feature will help you find question IDs that you could target in order to get listed in Google's People Also Ask box. So the questions feature is available in Ultimate Research. To access this tool, open the Tools menu and click on Ultimate Research under the Keyword Research category here. Then simply run a search for the keyword of your choice. To do so, click on the blue plus button located at the top right. For this example, we will run a search for the keyword dog training. Here are the results. So here we have a list of keyword IDs. Now, if you're specifically searching for question IDs, click on the Questions tab located here. This search can take a minute or so please be patient. Here are the results. And here we have a list of question IDs. As you can see, we generated various question IDs for the keyword dog training, including how much does dog training cost, how to use dog training clicker, how to use dog training color, and so on. Each question comes with several metrics, including the search volume trend, cost per click, traffic value, and pay-per-click competition. You can also see the source of each question. So Bing, YouTube, Google, Quora, and you have the same options than in Ultimate Research for keyword IDs. For example, analyze the keyword with Keyword Analyzer, get the search volume per country, and so on. So this is a great way to find questions to target and include in your content, as well as find question IDs to be included in Google's People Also Ask SERP feature. Please note that generating question IDs does not cost any extra credits. Alright, I hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions or suggestions, don't hesitate to contact our friendly support team by clicking here and on Submit a Ticket.